Our new interactive report, Users by Activity Numbers, will allow you to see all of the activities that are taking place. To find this report, go to Interactive Reports in the top left corner of your navigation menu. If you do not see it by default, click on View All Reports. Again, you can choose what reports you see. You can favorite whatever ones, but it's at the very bottom in our public preview section, which is right here, Users by Activity Numbers. The whole reason for this report is to show all users, right? Your agent, your CSRs, the agency account, any sort of additional insureds, anyone who's a user for this agency. And it will show what activity numbers they have, right? So you can see the total amount within the time frame you have set. You can see the tasks, the service requests, the certificates sent, the notes, the claims, the to-dos, the endorsements, the invoices, the issue payments, and the carried balance. So all those items per user. You can also use these filters. And then the last thing is you can also click up here and you can do show totals. So you can actually see, okay, out of everyone I see on this list, what is the total? So this is a great way to see all of this information, to see who is doing what at your agency. And so you could just be aware of who's doing what and also what resources are being taken. Thank you.